guys, welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to be stacking these things using density. So I'm going to be using a measuring cup to measure how much I'm using for that to put it into this small vase, some coloring dye, and I'm going to be using green for the water just so I don't get mixed up with this corn syrup, dishwashing soap, and vegetable oil. So we're going to start by putting on the corn syrup. I'm going to be pouring 200. That almost took all of our leftover corn syrup. So this is how much we're going to be using for everything. So let's go ahead and pour it carefully. Okay, that seems good enough. So now we're going to have to wash it off just so it doesn't stick when we do all of these other ones. Now we're going to be using the Dawn dishwashing soap. And we're going to be doing 200 again. Okay, so that's good enough. Pour it gently just so it doesn't bubble up. Hopefully it doesn't mix. Yeah, it's not mixing. Okay, so we got the first 2 layers done. Now we're gonna have to wash it off just so it doesn't leave a mark for when I use vegetable oil. So now we're going to be doing the vegetable oil. So we got the 200 milliliters of vegetable oil done, so now we're gonna have to pour it slowly so it doesn't bubble up. It's going up, but it's white. Okay, so there's the yellow-ish layer. So now we're gonna have to wash it off so it doesn't get complicated when I use the water. So now we're on our last step. We're going to be using water, 200 milliliters. Okay, so now we're going to have to color dye it just so I don't have to get mixed up. And I'm going to color dye it green. There we go. So now we're going to pour it in carefully just so the soap still doesn't bubble. Hopefully it doesn't mix. It's going under. That's pretty cool. The only reason it went under it was because of its density. It has more density than the vegetable oil, which is why it went under it. The corn syrup has the most density, which is why it's in the very bottom. The dishwashing soap has the second most density out of this, just because it's the second last one. The green one has more density than the vegetable oil, but less than the corn syrup and dishwashing soap. But the corn syrup has more than all of it, which is why it's in the very, very bottom. Okay, so this is all for today for my science density video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to like and subscribe, and also stay cool.